Welcome to Judge Silverback's Court, where justice is served with a wild twist. Today on the docket, the case of the missing chair. This stylist claims she lost her spot at the couple's salon because she turned down a three-way. The owners insist she quit without notice and isn't owed a thing. Judge Silverback will get to the bottom of this workplace jungle drama.
Okay, let's begin. I've reviewed the paperwork. The employer contends the claimant quit. The claimant says she was discharged. Since the original determination indicates that she quit without good cause, I'll start with the claimant. This does not mean I've decided this is a quit, only a starting point. Who is here for the employer?
Frank Love, owner of the Foxy Salon, for the employer, Your Honor. And Miss Lil Hexy, my partner, just an observer.
Sue Gulabee, sir.
Do you affirm to tell the truth, Mr. Love?
Yes.
And Miss Hexy, you are not testifying, correct?
No, Your Honor.
And Miss Gulabee?
Yes.
Miss Gulabee, who was your last employer?
The Foxy Salon?
What do they do and what was your position?
It's a hair salon. I was a stylist.
What was your last day of work?
Saturday, April 12th.
What was your separation the result of?
I was discharged.
How do you know?
He said if I didn't want to socialize with him and his partner, there'd be no chair for me.
But what does that mean, no chair?
He rallied me to participate in a minozatool.
Silence. Excuse me. A what?
A three-way, sir, with him and Miss Hexy. He flirted from the day I started, saying things like,
I bet your husband has fun with you after midnight.
I always told him, let's keep it businesslike. But it continued until I couldn't take it anymore.
Please tell me about the day of separation.
He invited me and my husband for cocktails. I wasn't sure, so I stalled. A week later, after my last client, he cornered me.
I expect you tonight, 9 o'clock.
Sorry, my husband can't make it.
He was a fuddy-duddy anyway. Then come without him. Your job depends on it. We've waited long enough.
Silence. Continue.
When I asked what he meant, he said, "You are the party."
Isn't it true, Miss Gulabee, that you sent me naked pictures?
Silence. Did you bring a copy?
Yes.
Joey, please.
Yes, that's me, but my husband took those. They were private. Once on social media, deleted. He stalked me.
Do you recall texting, I want to wear something that pleases you tomorrow?
That's out of context. You asked me to wear short skirts and no bra. I refused. I meant something professional.
No further questions.
Did you invite her and her husband for cocktails?
I did.
Did you call her husband a funny daddy?
I did not.
Liner!
Did you say, it's just me and Lil Hexy?
I said, Lil Hexy and I will miss you.
That's a lie.
Miss Gulabee, that is your last outburst. Are we clear?
Yes, Your Honor. I apologize.
Did you tell Miss Gulabee that if she doesn't show up for cocktails, she will not have a chair on Tuesday?
Yes, but I was only kidding.
When she didn't show up for work on Tuesday, did you call to find out why?
No, I can easily replace her.
This episode is sponsored by FlatRateAppeal.com. If you're in need of representation for your upcoming unemployment hearing or appeal, contact Flat Rate Appeal at 866-805-9492.
Okay, I've heard enough to make a decision. I find in favor of the claimant. The original determination is reversed. Miss Gulabee, you are entitled to unemployment benefits. Mr. Love, had you intended her return, you would have called when she didn't appear Tuesday. If you disagree, you may file an appeal. Otherwise, have a nice day, everyone.
And if you didn't believe this hearing was real, here's the actual claimant telling their story.
Yeah, this happens to me. I really wanted to work in his shop, so he crossed the line. It wasn't worth it. I mean, I needed my jobs, but I didn't need what he was peddling. As soon as he made fun of my husband, I said that's enough and got the hell out of there. I have no idea who got any pictures, but I took them right off. My boss must have been stalking me to find them. Anyway, I'm in a better place now.
Stay tuned for the next episode on YouTube of Judge Silverback's Court. If you wish to share your story or interested in sponsoring an episode, you can reach us at ableunemployment@gmail.com. All hearings are based on various unemployment hearings around the country. However, all characters are fictional and any similarity or likeness is purely coincidental. Results may vary depending on the state you're in. Judge Silverback's Court is not intended to give legal advice. If you need help with an unemployment issue or appeal, always consult an attorney or legal aid for your particular situation.